why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, so we're in Zhuhai. You can see the sign that says Zhuhai Tourist Company. We're going to be walking and meandering towards a walking street, which is over that direction. Over there is Zhuhai Port Plaza that goes underground, and it goes directly over to there. So all those buildings over there are the Macau side. So if we go underground, we could be over there as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to kind of navigate in this area through here and go towards this walking street all the way down. So stay tuned, give you a little slice of Zhuhai, give you an idea what it looks like over here, not too far from Macau. Okay, we have another slice of Zhuhai. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We're very close to the Macau border, and this particular area has a lot of markets. So we're going to be going kind of in and out of markets and following the Macau border down to a pedestrian street. So anyways, you're going to see what that's all about. And I also got some music. I wrote that and fed it into AI. Those lyrics are coming down right now. And let's just get right into the walk and talk so you can see a slice of Zhuhai next to the Gongbei border of Macau. So that's going to be our starting spot right here. And then if we go all the way down this way, there's kind of a main road right there. So we're going to follow, we're not going to follow this road, but this would go all the way down towards so like a Walmart and stuff way down at the other end of that, Burger King. And there's all kinds of shops, and this is kind of one of the main roads with these big palm trees like this. But we're going to be meandering down this way through this little space in here. So let's go do that. It's this Zhuhai Port Plaza that goes down. That's the Macau side over there. There's a charming hotel, so there's some hotels, El Hotel too. So those are right on the border. We're going to be meandering towards this pedestrian street. But we're going to be kind of walking through this, well, basically it's right next to the border. Almost right next to it. But you get an idea of a little bit of what Zhuhai looks like. Most of the people here are planning to go across to Macau. Not all, but they do walk across the border right there. Got a walk sign. So we're going to be walking down that street over there in a minute. Down that way. It's like a meat market up in that space up there. That's kind of where we're coming from. Older lady with the bad back. Usually I see the older ladies with gold bad backs. It usually implies they're in the rice fields for a long time. Lots of people coming up from there. So we're going to meander down this way. We could go into this little market right here as well, but they'll sell all kinds of goods over there. Just kind of go in and take a look real quick. And you can actually meander through. think I'm more interested to be outside though. Okay, so we're gonna meander through the outside part. There's coconuts right there. Sugarcane or bamboo. Flower shops. So they sell a lot of things right next to the border. Get some nice bags here too. More stuff up that way. Okay, so we're gonna meander down through here. It's we could actually, no, I'm gonna keep going down that way. We could go in and around. It's just kind of meander like this. And then you can see that there's all kinds of stuff for sale everywhere in here. And I think we're gonna come on out. Let's just stick to the outside part. More shoes, soles. Okay. More shoes. More bags as well. Little repair. You can do lots of repair here too. Shoe repair. So yeah, by the border it's really cheap to bring stuff over and then get shoes repaired, anything. That's the main pedestrian street over here, I believe. So we're gonna go up that way. I think I'm gonna do a separate street where I filmed the pedestrian street. But this is just kind of like a little bit of an outdoor market. There's a big indoor market as well, which is underground. And I think I have filmed that other times too. Okay. So this is the main pedestrian walking street up here. And I think I'm going to save this for its own video. I haven't walked on this one in quite a while. Oh, I got some nice music here. We got a temple right there too. So the Zhuhai border is directly down that way. So, okay. Okay. We are going to walk to a separate street right here. But I'm just going to walk down to towards the border, I think. Just to kind of give you some context of it. But yeah, this is the walking street. It goes down, you can probably walk about a kilometer behind me. So the next Zhuhai video I put up would be one from there. And then this one is just kind of an idea of that little space where you walk. It's kind of cool, this little girl in the cart there. Stand me up. Okay, so we kind of meandered through some of these spaces. And then this is a bus. So I think oh, this might maybe actually the bank, but there's also a bus stop in here too. And then so these buildings over there would be on the Macau side, those tall buildings over on that side. Then this would be when people look over from Macau side, they would see this on the Zhuhai side, including the big clock right there. Spa. Okay, so we're gonna end our video right there.